In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a person's clothes with Magnific AI Mobile. By the end, you'll know exactly how to swap outfits in a photo using clear prompts, all from your phone. First, open Magnific AI on your mobile device. You can use the app or the mobile site either way. Make sure you're connected to a stable internet connection for the best experience. Also, only work with images you have permission to edit and keep your edits respectful and honest. Once you're in, look toward the bottom of the screen and tap on AI Suite. This is where Magnific groups its creative tools, and it's the quickest path to the feature we need. Next, choose Edit with AI. This mode lets you describe the clothing changes you want, and the system will handle the heavy lifting for you. Now, select the image you want to work on. Pick a photo where the person is clearly visible, with good lighting and as little motion blur as possible. The more of the outfit the camera can see torso, sleeves, and any accessories, the more accurate your result will be. Tap the image to load it. In the prompt box, describe exactly what you want to change about the clothes. Be specific. Mention the garment type, color, fabric, and style. For example, replace the t-shirt with a fitted black leather jacket over a plain white crew neck, or swap the dress for a knee-length navy blazer dress with gold buttons. If there's something you want to keep, say so, like keeping the background or accessories untouched. Clear, concise language helps the AI understand your intent. When you're happy with your description, tap Generate. Processing may take a bit, so be patient and keep the app open. Longer load times are normal when the request is detailed or the image is large. That's it. Go to Magnific AI, open AI Suite, choose Edit with AI, pick your image, write a precise clothing prompt, and generate. With practice, your prompts will get faster and your results more consistent.